I have to think too that like any kind of athleisure wear that you're wearing that's designed to wick away sweat would likely have some of these chemicals in them as well. Is that accurate or am I off
Yeah.
base
So
there?
like these high tech fabrics, like really, these are really state of the art fabrics,
Hmm.
really cool things that are designed to wick. And there's a reason why these textile companies like they always recommend that people don't use fabric softeners on their products, right? Because fabric softeners are not notorious. They're chemically engineered to leave a silicone film on your clothes. On fat, you ever get out of the shower at a hotel, or if you are listening at home, if used the big teddy bear type fabric softeners, the real thick goopy stuff, and you get out of the shower and you like grab a towel and you're not getting dry. You're
Yeah.
like, why am I not getting dry? And the reason why I'm not getting dry is because literally the cotton fibers or the polyester fibers in those towels are already completely consumed by these silicone chemicals. So you have this appearance that feels, oh my gosh, smells so great, so soft. I just want to snuggle up to these things. Well, you're not getting dry because there's nothing to absorb. The towel is fully absorbed all these crazy chemicals. So it gives you the appearance of softness, but there's no absorbency. Same thing happens with these high-tech fabrics that are designed to wick away your sweat. Well, the problem is if those fibers are clogged with silicone-based chemicals, perfumes and surfactants and all this goopy stuff, it can't wick away. That's why these high-tech fabrics, after you wash them in conventional stuff, they stink. You can't get that funky stink out of them, is because it becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, and that's what causes the odors. I'm sorry, I'm dropping a lot of crazy stuff that's going on, but this is what's happening.